It's only 2.5 months before our Morocco retreats start.
So we will host 2 different retreats.
A lot of cool people. The Morocco Crosstraining retreat, 7 nights in a beautiful riad in the heart of the old Medina. We're gonna attend gymnastics seminars. We're gonna train with the fittest man in Morocco. We're gonna visit waterfalls. We're gonna ride camels into the sunset. All of that good stuff. We're gonna go to hammams. We're gonna eat amazing food, of course.
The food in Morocco is just insane.
We have an amazing group of people from different places. Learn from each other. Make it an unforgettable trip.
And we also have the Workation, and with the Workation we're going to work on our business instead of inside our business. We're going to meet with other inspiring, like-minded individuals who also want to work on themselves, grow their business, but also discover a really beautiful destination. So we're going to start in Marrakech, then we're going to road trip all the way to Essaouira, Agafay desert. Oh, there's also a co-working space there. That's insane.
And you're gonna get better as an entrepreneur. You're gonna learn. You're gonna meet amazing people. You're gonna network.
You're going to follow some marketing workshops, some masterminds. We are super excited to meet you guys. If you have the feeling this is something for you, schedule a call via the link in our bio, send us a DM message, and we are super excited to get to know you better. Can't wait to meet you!
See you guys soon! Thank you!